Uh, these are my fireworks. I'm gonna start here. These are the firecrackers. They're 104. These are the tubes. 11. These are the rockets or the whistle. These are like the 14 pieces. These are the battery. This is the haunted. This is the mummy away. The anaconda and the evolution. Now I'm gonna go in my box. For all this cost $200. So this is the gang box. First I'm gonna start with the Desert at Night. 7 shots. These are 25 shots. These are big. And this is 61 shots. The Swarming Bees, 61 shots. The Garden in Spring, 7 shots. The smaller, the box smaller, but it's 25 shots. All these are battery. Here's the timing bomb. These are 36 shots. This is the Moon Festival. These are, I don't know how many shots. So, there's 1 tubes. These are 12 pieces. And I have more here. So, there's a lot. This is the Starship Patrol. This is 18 shots. And this is the Funky Flat Fish, 9 shots. This is Happy. This is 16 shots. These are 6 shots. They're Happy too. This is the same one that I showed you. It's 25 shots. These are 61 shots. Flora Nova. Eagle Eye, 25 shots. The Dungeon Creature, 60 shots. The Screaming Green Flora, 61 shots. Watts Flora, 61 shots. And the Kaleidoscope, something like that. And these 50 shots. So that's it for now that I have. And oh, I forgot the ice coffee. It's like a bomb. It costs $5. Only for one. So this is all that I have. Maybe I'm gonna buy more. So for all this cost $200. Yep, that's it. Thanks.